Hi, I'm Dr. Clayton Hawkins from the University of Tasmania. I'm part of the University College and here to give you a quick run through of what we describe as transferable skills, or what some people refer to as the skills of the future. These are things that employers are looking for and areas that you can develop to make yourself much more adaptable in the future workforce. So the first one that we describe is communication. Simple as that. Can I communicate? How well do I communicate? So do I listen to people and then be able to communicate to a various groups of people in the community? It could be an employer, it could be an industry stakeholder, it could be your colleague, it could be someone on the street. Can I communicate with various people and in various forms? That might be written form, verbal, body language, and can I do that professionally? So communication skills are key going forward, the ability to communicate. Critical thinking and problem solving are two that we group together. So critical thinking is, well, what do I need to know about this issue or problem or whatever I'm trying to solve, and to gather all the information rather than just acting on the spot, which we sometimes need to do, but collecting that information that's relevant to it, analyzing it, so unpacking it to come up with a solution. And in relation to that is the problem solving. So getting to the root of what is the problem? What is the problem? So the ability to identify what the problem is, what really is the problem, and trying to solve it through a critical thinking process. So considering all the evidence that's there and to be able to make a judgment. Planning and organisation is one area of the transferable skills that we're really passionate about, which is your ability to not just be ad hoc and just do things on a whim, but actually have a plan behind things that you do, to be organized, to have your time management sorted out, that you can achieve what you're set out to achieve within particular time frames. So the ability to be organized is one thing that employers are looking for. Teamwork and collaboration is another one. Your ability to work in a team. In today's environment, it's a lot about teamwork. It's not just doing things automated and acting on your own. It's the ability to communicate, so bring together some of those other transferable skills to be able to work as a team, to collaborate, to come up with collective ideas. We don't have all the answers. You don't have all the answers, but working as a team can certainly help to bring out the best ideas, the best solutions. That ability to work as a team and collaborate. Ethics and social responsibility. These are sometimes difficult to grasp, but it's about doing the right thing, being accountable for your own actions, and what you do can affect others. So having that own moral compass of your own and, yeah, in effect, doing the right thing. So questioning yourself, when I make a decision, is this the right thing to do? Critical reflection. You're probably used to this in your environment now. So thinking about, well, after I've done something, what did I learn? Why did I do it the way I did it? How did I do it? And so what would I do better next time? So that constant learning, the ability to look back at what I've done and how will I improve going forward, to better understand the way I went about doing something. Learning and self-management. So your ability to be organized in yourself and to continually learn. That might be through study, that might be through understanding that I need to continually update my skills in a particular area. The ability to soak in what we call tacit knowledge, so learning from others, that learning how to do in the work. But being able to manage yourself personally and professionally to continually learn. Another area are core literacy. So this might sound pretty basic, but the ability to be financially literate. So you know how to manage your own finances. Numeracy, so having a sound mathematical background, to be able to think critically, a critical list literacies, which is what I referred to before around critical thinking and problem solving. Digital literacy, so Excel and Word and the ability to use common technological platforms. Media literacy, so being able to use a camera to take photos, to represent, think of my background right now, to try and represent what you're trying to portray. And information literacy, so the ability to obtain information, to be able to do a good Google search, to be able to pull together that various data. The last area is leadership. We often bandy that word around, but what is leadership? And it's your ability to take people on a journey. So all of us can be leaders. We don't have to be in a management position to be a leader. We can all inspire, we can all be passionate, we can all listen to people and take them along on our vision. And it's also to demonstrate that leadership through your own integrity. So I'm hoping that this gave you a bit of an overview of some of the skills that our employers are looking for in the 21st century, because as they are sometimes known as the 21st century skills. So the question is now, how would you go about obtaining those? Well, there's numerous ways. You could do it through employment. You could through further study and through your classes that you're doing. And a key one, especially for younger people, is volunteering. Volunteering provides many opportunities in which to develop these communication skills, critical thinking, problem solving, teamwork, leadership, critical reflection, self-learning. It's constant development. So I would encourage you all, if you are not employed and you're probably not continuing on with studies, to consider volunteering, or do volunteering alongside your studies or alongside your work. There's numerous opportunities that you can gauge in that area. So I hope that this helped you better understand the transferable skills, the 21st century skills. And if you can develop these, you'll be much better prepared for work in the 21st century as a practitioner. I wish you all the best. Thank you.